Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the humidity sensor in your Chrysler 300. First, identify the sensor's location, usually near the overhead console. Next, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery for safety. This prevents electrical shorts and protects components during the process. Once the battery is disconnected, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry down the overhead console cover. This will expose the humidity sensor. Locate the electrical connector attached to the sensor and gently unplug it. Be careful not to pull on the wires. With the connector detached, you can now gently pry the old sensor out of its mounting slot. It should come out with minimal force. Now take your new humidity sensor and carefully insert it into the empty slot. Ensure it clicks into place or sits snugly. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor, making sure it's fully seated and secure. Then, carefully reattach the overhead console cover, pressing it firmly until it snaps back into position. Double-check that all clips are engaged and the cover is flush. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Start your Chrysler 300 and test the climate control system to ensure the new humidity sensor is functioning correctly. Check for proper defrosting and air conditioning operation. If everything works as expected, you've successfully replaced your humidity sensor. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.